Hello everyone, I am Nitin and I welcome you all to my channel MBT. Keeping yourself aware of what's happening in your premises, having a recorded version of that, and even able to view the premise, what's happening in your premises when you are not there. It always gives you it always gives you huge advantages and is very vital in today's world. So today, as you can see on the table, we have got two cameras placed on the table. I'll be showcasing these products to you. These are two CCTV cameras under the brand CP+. I'll be first picking up the small box, a small compact box. It has a dome camera inside it. It's a dome camera is something which you will find generally everywhere, like in a shopping mall, at a retail store, in an office. Like these cameras are generally used for indoor purposes and are found everywhere in today's world. So this is how it looks. This is a CP+ USCDA10L2 model. It's a 1 megapixel dome camera. It has those 24 LEDs which will give you a fairly good picture even in low light or in complete darkness. Apart from that, we have these two cables, one for BNC and one for the power. You just need to connect them and you are on. Secondly, the second product which I will be showing, and it's really very interesting. Now this camera requires a DVR, it requires a hard disk, it requires cables to be placed to function. Now in this camera, what we do have, we have this small mini DVD, its driver, a sticker, a user manual. It does have a power adapter with it, and now the camera itself and its stand. Sorry. So in this camera, what happens, like it is basically a Wi-Fi camera. It has a telephone jack behind it. You can just connect your router with it. You can access, and it goes on Wi-Fi. You can insert a micro SD card. It will support micro SD card of up till 32 GB. You can just mount it on this stand, or you can place it. Like even if you need to do, you can just place it. Like how to mount it, I'll just show this to you. A small demo of that. You just need to tighten these screws over here, and it's done. So there you go. Now this camera is mounted over here. You just tighten these screws and it's done. Now you can put it on your tabletop. You can just tighten the screws and put it on your ceiling or anywhere you want. Now the advantage with this camera is that it doesn't require any cable. It doesn't require anything else apart from a micro SD card to get you those recordings and an internet connection, so that you can live view for that live view. It doesn't require any cables, no DVRs, no hard drives are required for that, and it's best suited for those who are staying outside their homes, and they have elders in their home, like might be their parents, their children, who are staying alone. Remote view is possible through internet. You can view your home through your mobile phone, through your smartphone. You just need to download a small app, and through your desktop or laptop, any ways you want. And this adapter, it is there to give you the power. There is a socket to insert this one. You can just insert this over here and connect it to your power. Connect it to a power point, and there the camera is on. It's on and running. So thank you guys. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you do like our video, then please put a like and subscribe. And if you're interested to buy any of these products, then please visit our online store at mymbt.net. This is Nitin signing off. Thank you.